How's it going, guys? We're out here in a sunflower patch close to my house. Gonna try to kill a few doves a day using my Charles Daly 12 gauge. Right there. Sorry, guys. Birds came in. Using my Charles Daly 12 gauge. Gonna bring y'all some action. Y'all stick around. Alright, guys, got 3 so far. Birds are still flying. We fish to lay the snake down. Y'all stay around. Right above you, David. He's over here now. Alright, guys, we're up to 4 now. Right before sunset fly. Good wind, sunflower field. You just can't beat it any day of the week. Yeah, y'all just stick around. We stay out here looking. There he goes. Bird! Bird! Here they come. Now they're landing that damn tree over there. Come on, buddy. Right here. That's high. That's high. That's right. That's all the shells I got. Alright, guys, I ain't been able to film much shooting. There's a lot going on, a lot of shooting going on out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. Y'all stick around. It's getting live out here. Getting closer to dark, but they're still flying. We're gonna hang in there as long as we can. Y'all just stick around. Good shot. Good shot. Oh, you're good. You're good. Coming to you. He's down. He's down. He's down. You kidding me? Alright guys, we're still out here. Killed 7. David over here with me, he's killed about 13, 14. He can shoot a lot better than I can. We're sticking it out here. We didn't figure we'd be out here too late. But they're still flying good, so we ain't leaving. I'll check. I'll see where he went down. Alright guys, we ended up with 16 birds in the sunflower field today. Good day. We hunted until the last second. A bunch of people out here. Everybody did good. Everybody shot good. I appreciate y'all tuning in to this episode. I'm going to post some pictures at the end. Y'all stick around and check them out of the kills. And stack of birds, might I say. The boys, we was laying smack down on today. Missed more than I should. But, you know, I guess that happens in hunting. If they, I mean, it wouldn't be called hunting. It'd be called killing if you killed everything. So, appreciate y'all tuning in this episode and stick around for the pictures. Yeah, buddy, look at it. That's right. We laid the smack down on them. Old Deadeye over here. Oh, killer over here.
That's right.
That's right. Yeah. You kill any birds, Danny?
Well, like 4. I ain't found none of them.
You ain't down none of them?
Oh, I ain't found them.
Oh, you ain't found them?